Alrighty, so we're here with the Jamaican left back, Reggae Boys left back, Amari'i. Firstly, Amari, what was the emotion like when you saw the ball hit the back of the nets?
Yeah, it was a great feeling. To obviously it was a draw at the moment, and to go 1-0 up and the importance of the goal. Yeah, it was an amazing feeling. And it was the decisive goal of the game, so it meant even more. And obviously now we're through to the semi-final. Yeah, it's a great feeling.
Yeah, and of course we're over the moon with the result. Your thoughts about the performance of the team as a whole?
Yeah, the good thing is, I feel like we've got even more to come. There's times where we could have done things better, but there's also times where we did things well. So I think we just need to sharpen up them bits, and it can be a real force.
Yeah, and looking forward to the next game coming up on Wednesday.
Yeah, it's going to be a tough game. It always is with Mexico, but we believe in ourselves. We believe in the quality that we've got to win the game. So we just need to show it, and all things will be taken care of.
Yeah, and finally, Amari, of course, this is your second Gold Cup for Jamaica. How much are you enjoying the experience? Of course, you were in Austria and now here in America. What has the experience been like this time around?
Yeah, the experience has been great. Obviously the last campaign we got to the quarterfinal, so we didn't want to go home so early. We wanted to go better and go all the way. So like I said, the feeling in the camp is good. The chemistry is good between everybody, and we're just positive.
Yeah, and has it sunk in? You're 2 years now representing Jamaica.
It hasn't, to be fair. I wish I did it a long time before. But I'm happy that I'm here now, and as long as I keep on playing and representing the country, then it's going to be amazing.